Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling VoiceOver and verifying the basics. Go to Settings, Accessibility, VoiceOver, and toggle it on. You need the feature Active to Operate Gestures. Once done, enter a familiar screen like the lock screen so VoiceOver can speak controls. Make sure you have your device passcode at hand because you will switch input modes and may need to confirm identity. Do this now so you can move directly into the unlocking steps without interruptions. You now navigate the lock screen using VoiceOver gestures. Single tap to hear each control, then double tap to activate the highlighted item. This is how you open the passcode field. Once the field is active, use the on-screen keyboard with double tap for each digit, or set the rotor to typing and flick to move faster. Make sure to confirm each spoken digit as you type. If VoiceOver misreads, pause, reselect the key, and retry. Accuracy here reduces. You finish by confirming the passcode entry and unlocking the iPhone. After typing the full code, double-tap the home or side button to submit. VoiceOver will announce success and reveal the home screen. If you encounter issues, VoiceOver misreading keys or the keyboard not responding, first toggle VoiceOver off then on, or reboot the device. Once done, make sure to practice the sequence slowly to build muscle memory. If biometric or passcode methods still fail, contact Apple support for account recovery guidance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.